Hello my dear students, welcome to today's maths class. I hope you are doing well. All of you studied the chapters integers and fractions. Yes, you will prepare for your next TP. Yes. So last day we studied about that decimals. A decimal number consists of two parts. First part is whole part or whole number part, and second part is decimal part or fractional part. Then a point separate between that point separates whole part and a fractional part. So we represent the decimal numbers on the place value table. Then we studied the number name, then numeral, next expanded form, and then next one conversion. Then we find the simplest form of the given fraction, etc. So today we are going to study about the next topic, conversion of, that is, listen, first you must study, last year studied 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Say 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Once more, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. So now don't want to open your notebook. I will say that time only you can open the textbook. I will give the notes to my WhatsApp. Yes. So all of you must listen here only. Don't want to write. Then first question. Then 1 millimeter equal 1 by 10 centimeter. Yes. So question number 1. Express the following as centimeter using decimals. That is the question. We want to convert into centimeter given in millimeter. Yes. Question number 1. 2 millimeter. So we studied 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Therefore 1 millimeter equal 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 by 10 centimeter. Here 2 millimeter. We want to convert into centimeter. 1 millimeter equal 1 by 10. So say the answer, 2 millimeter equal 2 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, we studied a number is divided by 10. Yes, after the decimal point only one digit. Therefore, 0.2 centimeter. Once more, given in millimeter, we want to convert in centimeter. So, divide by 2 by 10. We studied. So, 0.2 centimeter. Yes, next question. Question number 2, 30 millimeter. Say the answer. Yes, 30 by 10 centimeter. So, here 30. So, after decimal point only one digit. Therefore, 3.0 centimeter. Yes, next question. 116 millimeter. Say the answer. 116 by 10 centimeter. We can represent. Here 3 digits are there. Last digit 6. So 11.6 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Next questions. Yes. Next questions. 83 millimeter. 83 millimeter. Say the answer. Yes. 83 by 10 centimeter. That equal 8.3 centimeter. Yes. Next one. 162 millimeter. 162 millimeter. Say 162 divided by 10 centimeter. Say the answer. 3 digit. Yes. 16.2 centimeter. All of you understand? Yes. Next question. That is 4 centimeter 2 millimeter. 4 centimeter 2 millimeter. Here centimeter and millimeter. We want to convert into centimeter only. First of all, we can convert 4 centimeter into millimeter. Understand? That is 4 4 centimeter, that equal 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Therefore, 4 centimeter equal 4 into 10 millimeter plus here 2 millimeter. Once more, first you want to convert the both measurement into millimeter. Here given. Therefore, centimeter is converted into millimeter. Then 4 into 10, 40 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. That equal 40 plus 2 millimeter. That equal 42 millimeter. So, we got in millimeter. Then want to convert into centimeter. That equal 42 divided by 10 centimeter. Say the answer. Yes, 4.2 centimeter. Once more here, centimeter is converted into millimeter. Therefore, 4 into 10 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. Then 4 into 10, 40 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. That equal 42 millimeter. Clear? Then want to convert into centimeter. That is divided by 10. Then that answer is 4.2 centimeter. Yes. So once more, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Next 1 millimeter equal 1 by 10. Yes, 1 by 10 centimeter. Next one more question we can do. 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. All of you listen. Yes, say the first step. Yes, 9 into 10 millimeter plus 8 millimeter. Say the answer. 9 into 10 equal 90. 90 millimeter plus 8 millimeter. That equal 90 plus 8 equal, yes, 98 millimeter. Then equal, we want to convert into centimeter. 98 by 10 centimeter. That equal 9.8 centimeter. Clear? So, this is 9.8 centimeter. Yes. Next one. Next one. How we can represent the decimal numbers on the number line. Clear? Yes. So, example 0.3, 1.1, then 2.1. We want to represent these decimal numbers on the number line. Clear? Yes. So, first we can draw the number line starting from 0. Then next listen. Here 10 divisions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Here 1, that is 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 1.0 over 1. Next, again 1, then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 2. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. Clear? Or 2. Next again 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 3.0. So, we got 0.3. Where? Yes, this is 0.3. Next, 1.1. That is, this point is 1.1. Next, 2.1. Where? 2. Yes, this point is 2.1. All of you understand? Once more. First, we want to draw the number line. Yes. Next, starting from 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Here 1, then 1.0. Clear? Then we can arrange, we can represent these decimal numbers on. Yes. Next. All of you take your textbook, page number 168. Page number 168. Listen. Question number 9. Question number 9. Yes. Here, listen. Question number 9. 168. Here A. Next here B. Next here C. And next D. Clear? All of you listen. Then you can write the answer in your textbook only. Understand? Yes. Open the textbook and question number 9. You can write the answer there. Yes. Question. Here A. So 4, 0.5, 6, 7 and here 0.8. Yes. Next one B. Here 1.1. Sorry. B. Here 1.3 only. 1, 2, 3. Here B. So here answer 1.3. 1.3. Here centimeter. Here 1.3 centimeter. Yes. Next C. C here 2.2. Next D. D where here. This is 2.9 centimeter. All of you represent that? Yes. Once more. A equal 0.8 centimeter. Then B equal 1.3 centimeter. Next C equal 2.2 centimeter. And D equal 2.9 centimeter. Next question. Question number 7. That page. Question number 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are given numbers? Then line in which of these whole numbers is nearer the number? So simple question. So question number 1, 0.8. So 0.28 where they lie? Here. That is between, say the answer, 0 and 1. Clear? So 0.8 lies between 0 and 1. You can write the answer in the textbook. Then second part, near to where? So listen, if 0.5 or 0.6, 7, 8, 9 is near to 1. Once more, last 5th standard we studied about nearest 10, 100, etc. So next here 0.4, 0.3, 2, 1 is near to 0. Clear? Yes. So here 0.8 is near to where? 1. This is the answer. You can write in the textbook only. Don't want to write in the notebook. Yes. Next question 5.1. Same. 5.1. 5.1 where? Here up to 3. 5.1 between, yes, 5, 6 and 0.1. So this is near to, yes, 5. Yes. Next question 2.6. 2.6 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2.6 is between 2 and 3 and here 6.6. So we can write near to 3. Yes. Next 6.4. All of you say the answer without a number line. Yes. 6 and 7 and 4 point. Therefore, near to 6. Yes. Next question 9.1. Say 9, 10 and near to where? 0.1. Therefore, 9. Next question 4.9. That equal between 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, then it is near to where? Yes, 5. So must write in the textbook only. Don't want to write in the notebook. Next question. Question number 10, A and B. This question I will give in the notebook. Don't want to write now. Yes. The length of Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Then what will be its length in centimeter? What will be its in centimeter? We studied already. How? So here given in centimeter and millimeter. Next first step, yes, 9 into 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. 9 into 10 millimeter plus 5 millimeter. That equal 9 into 10 equal, yes, 90 millimeter plus 5 millimeter. That equal 95 millimeter. Clear? Then want to convert into centimeter. That equal 95 by 10. Next step we can write 95 by 10. Which one here? Centimeter. Say the answer. A number is divided by 10. Yes, 9.5 centimeter. Clear? So the final answer is 9.5 centimeter. You can write in the textbook, but I will give through my notes. Yes. Next question. Yes. Next question. The length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeter. 65 millimeter. Then express its length in centimeter. Say, yes, very simple. 65 divided by 10 centimeter. That equal 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Next, all of you open the next one. Page number 175. Before that, you must listen here. I will give some rules. Page number 175. Yes. Yes. All of you listen. So here, which is greater? That is the question. Which decimal number is greater? So listen. First of all, 24.210, 46.314. Here, two decimal numbers are there. How we can identify which is greater and which is smaller? First step, first we want to check the whole part. Here, which is the, here 24 is the whole part and 46 is the next whole part. Here, which is the greater whole part? That is the greatest decimal number. So we can say easy 24 and 46. Which is the greatest one? 46. Therefore, 46.314 is the greatest decimal number and 24.210 is the smallest decimal number. Clear? Yes. Next question. Next one. 19.210 and 19.310. Listen. Here, first two parts are equal. Then we want to move to the after the decimal point part. That is 10th part you want to check. Here 2 and 3. Which is greater? 3 is greater. So this decimal number is greater than 19.210. Once more, whole parts are equal. Next we want to move to 10th place. Therefore, this is greater than first number. Yes. Next question. 28.394, 28.361. Same. First parts equal. Next we can check 10th part there. That numbers are equal. So next we can take a 100th place. So here which one? First one is greater. 9 is greater. So first number is greater. Clear? Yes. So in some places that is 28.30 and 28.3. Here you must listen here. Both are 28.30, 28.3. Here which is the greater? No, that is listen here 10th place. Place value of this one 10th place is 3. And here 10th place is 0. Clear? So here no value 0 and here 10th place no number is there. So both are equal. So listen, some students write this is greater, not 30. We can read only 30. That is 100th place of here. The value is 0. So both are equal. So we can go to textbook. Listen. Question number 1. A. 0.3 or 0.4. Which is greater? So you must tick in the textbook only. Then after completing the notes, you can write in this question in the notebook. 0.3 or 4? Yes, 0.4. Question number B. 0.07 or 0.02. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 7, 2. Which is greater? Yes. Then C. 3 or 0.8. Here whole part 3, decimal part not there. Then here, listen, 0. So whole number is greater, 3. Next question. D. 0.5 or 0.05. Please listen. Here 0, then here 5, but here 0. So which is greatest? Here 0.5 is the greatest. Yes. Next question. 1.23 or 1.2. 1.23 or 1.2. Here 1.2, 1.2, but here, yes, 100th place 3. Here no value, so here. F. 0.099 or 0.19. Here 0, both here 0, here 0, but here 1. So which is the greatest? Yes. Next G. 1.5 or 1.0. So here 10th place 5, but 100th place here not there. Here the place value is 0. Therefore both are equal. Both are same. We want to write both are same. Both are same. H. 1.431 or 1.490. 1.4 here, then 3 and 9. Which is greatest? Yes, 9 is greatest. I. 3.3 or 3.300. How we can read 3.3 and 3.300? Here no value, then place value 0. Therefore here no value. So both are same. Both are same. The last question. Last one. IJ. 5.64 or 5.603. 5.603. Here 5.6, 5.6, then next place 4, here 0. Therefore, first number is clear. All of you close your textbook. Then we can go to next one more topic. That is page number 177. That express as rupees using decimals. All of you close your textbook. Express as rupees using decimals. Using decimals. So we know about that 100 paise equal 1 rupee, isn't it? And therefore 1 paise equal 1 by 100 rupee. Here want to convert into rupees. Clear? Yes. Question number 1. 5 paise. 5 paise is converted into rupees. Say 1 rupee 100 paise. So 5 paise equal, yes, 5 by 100 rupees. That equal, say, a number is divided by 100. After the decimal point, how many digits are there? 2. Say, here 1 digit, so we want to convert here. Here 100 plus 5, so 0, 5 rupees. 0.5 rupees. Clear? Yes. Next question, question number 2. 75 paise. Say the answer. 75 by 100 rupees. that equal here 75, yes, 0.75 rupees. Next question, 20 paise. 20 paise. Say yes, 20 by 100 rupees. That equal, a number is divided by 100. So 0.20 is. Yes. Next question. 725 pies, that equal here 725 by 100. Here 3 digits are there, but after decimal point only 2 digits. 1 to divide by 100. So 7.25 rupees. Yes. Next one more question. 50 rupees. 50 rupees 90 paise. 50 rupees 90 paise. So here also we studied earlier that is centimeter is converted to millimeter. Larger measurements converted into smaller, then one to convert. So here first step, listen, 50 rupees, that is 50 rupees is converted to paise, that is 50 into 100 paise plus 90 paise, that equal 50 into 100 paise equal 50 paise. Next plus 90 paise, that equal 50, then 90, yes, 90 paise, that equal 5090 by 100 rupees. Want to convert into, yes, that answer is how 50 here want to divide by 100, so 1 2, that equal 50.90 rupees. Yes. Then next page number 177, question number 3. We already studied that. Express our centimeter using decimals. All of you listen here. I will give notes. Yes. Express our centimeter. That's first question. 5 millimeter. Say the answer. 5 by 10 centimeter. 0.5. Next 60 by 10 millimeter. That is 60 by 10 centimeter. Yes. 164 by 10. Next, this question already worked out in the class here. So all of you must yes complete the notes and must write in this question also. One page number 175, which is greater. That question also you want to write in your notebook. After completing that, please notes. Clear? Yes. All of you prepare for your test paper also. Thank you. Have a great day.